Jason again, doing Leetcode again. I can't get enough. So I'm gonna, since the last one was so easy, I'm gonna be a masochist and try to do this in C++. This is gonna be edge of your seats, folks. Okay, given a string S containing just these characters, parentheses, seen it before, determine if the input string is valid. An input string is valid if open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets. It's just another parser issue. Problem. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. Most of this is going to be me trying to remember C++ at all. At all. The string at least has one thing. Oh, well, there's only parentheses, huh? That kind of makes it easier. You don't have to ignore other characters. Okay, well, let's see. Derp, 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 derp. So the basic algorithm is going to be like looking at a thing in the string, and then I'm going to be keeping track of how many current, like, oh god, what am I supposed to do? I have to have like a stack, right? Basically I have a stack. Okay, so oh god, I have no memory of how to do this. Not the tiniest bit of memory. This has been like several years. I think since I don't remember how to do it, I'm going to do something. I'm not going to use STL, even though if you were a real C++ programmer, you would. Instead, I will have a class stack item. And it'll have int type. Int paren equals 0, int brace equals 1, int, what is the other one called? Curly brace, bracket equals 2. These braces are those. And of course we know what parentheses are. Okay, so essentially we have to have a function called push and pop. We would have stack item pointer head equals 0. Then we would have a function push, which it takes a stack item pointer p, and it basically says I'll do this, head equals 3. We'll give it a constructor. How do you do constructors? Okay. Is it this dot type equals type? I think there's a better way. You do like this, right? You do like T. It's like you do like colon type T. Oh look, I remembered something. Amazing. Look at me. Okay. Okay. Now, I'm gonna have okay. New stack item. Why did I decide to do this? Head. Okay. Then, okay. This just says yeah, crap. How do you do a stack again? You say like p next equals head equals p. God damn it. Stack item point next. Okay. Guess. Yes, I am. I'm making a little linked list stack thing. Wonderful. Void pop. Why did I do this to myself? Not void. Stack item pointer pop. God. Stack item pointer value equals head. Head equals head. Next. Return value. Okay, I made a data structure. Now, this is the thing. This is blurbity blurb. Okay, I'm gonna go through the string basically. I don't have any clue how to get the length of a string. I forgot completely. We're just gonna have to try different things. For int I equals 0, I is less than. I have no idea. S dot length, like that. Size might be size. Let's see. Let char c equals si. I'm almost 100% positive that will work. So switch. See, I can just switch on this case brace. Let me do what I want to do. This. Oh, stop auto completing my parentheses, etc. Okay. Look at my beautiful case statements. Make sure. I'm just going to even put my break stuff in there. Breaks, so I don't forget all my breaks. Don't forget to take breaks. Smoke break, coffee break. Anyway. What am I doing? Okay. This is just a push. Push, new, stack, item, pointer. Oh God. And it's a brace. This is a bracket. Okay. And this is a paren. Okay. These are the tough ones here. Tough. Stack item p equals pop. It's just pop. If p, what is it called? Type is not equal to brace. Oops. I guess I can just return false. Yes, there's a memory leak. I'm well aware. What? Don't do that there. This is a bracket. Dip. This is a paren. I don't need the oops. The oops was me trying to do this in C++. Glutton for punishment. Return true. Okay. So I have a data structure here. I've got types of things. Oh, I need an edge case. What if there's too many? Actually, no. It's fine. Because if there's too many closing, like if this is my input, right? Input. Parentheses, and then this. Right, when I get to this one and there's no matching thing, then the p.type will be head, since we have a head, right? And then that'll return false. So head should not match with anything. That means that braces and brackets and parens should just match with their own kind. Dorpity dorp. I don't know. Is this going to work? I mean, I suppose yes, I am well aware of the memory leak part. I guess I could delete the thing. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I mean, yes, I would. If I was going to delete stuff, what I would do is I would just be like, I can just be like, I could just be like, found mismatch equal to true, false. So as soon as I find a mismatch, found mismatch, and we have not found as long as we haven't found a mismatch, and is less than s dot size, we can keep looking. Once we find a mismatch, then I don't know, delete everything. I'll delete all while p equals head. For what am I saying? For stack item pointer p equals head, p equals p next zorp zip. Oh yeah. Stack item pointer and I would just say equals p next, delete p, and that is my cleanup. Not found mismatch. There we go. Now I have a nice thing where I even clean up my stack. See, I'm so all about the C++. Okay, let's get our core dump right now. Using return type for function stack items. Oh, it's just a typo. Okay. What is happening right now? Oh, yeah, that's right. You have to put a semicolon after classes. I forgot about that. Private. Okay, you have to make it public. Yes, all of that. Forgot that as well. Next is okay. Everything should be public because I don't care, or maybe I make it a struct. Because I also don't care. Found mismatch. Did I boolean or bool or whatever it's called in this language? Redefinition of p. What am I doing? Where? Is this 57? Oh, we have to do this. Okay. So much fun. Okay, run. Address sanitizer heap use after free. Oh god, what does this mean? Okay, I'm gonna maybe don't do this. I don't know, my delete didn't work. Oh. What? Wait, what? Hang on. N equals P next. Delete P. Right. Oh. P equals N. This is the problem here. Okay, let's try this. Wrong answer for that. Oh, another thing. I missed something obvious. This is bad. If head type not equal to head found mismatch equals false. I mean, I don't know why I'm doing it that way, but actually, hang on a second. I'm gonna return either I found a mismatch or if I didn't find a mismatch, then or it's actually or. If I found a mismatch, we're definitely got the wrong answer here. If I didn't find a mismatch, I also need to make sure that head type equals head. Okay. What the what? Oh, come on. Output true, expected false. Okay, hang on. This is the input. This and then that. First run through, we push the parentheses, stack item paren. And then we break, we run around to the next case. We get to it's a bracket, so we pop it. If it's not bracket, found mismatch is, this should have been saying found mismatch is true, because it shouldn't have been bracket, it should have been paren. What is the what the heck? So found mismatch is true. That's full. Wait, oh my god, basic logic. Okay, please brain work. Let's rename our variables. How about this? Bool stack was unwound equals head type equals head. So I have a function that's trying to find out whether this is a valid string. If I found a mismatch, this is just an and this is not. It is valid if I didn't find a mismatch, and that, yeah, it's just basic. I mean, I made a variable and didn't even use it. And it's not working. Ah! Okay. A wrong answer comes... Output false. This should... Oh my god. Okay. They're saying that this comes out to return false. So in this case, it's returning, it should be returning true, because we should be saying we didn't find a mismatch, and also the stack was unwound. In fact, the stack didn't get unwound, or we found a mismatch. Maybe my stack was unwound thing is wrong. The way it works is with this, we do see, first thing we do is push a brace, then we break, then we push a bracket, and then we break, then we pop, we get here, and then we pop that, and the type should be bracket, because that's the last thing we pushed. So then we didn't find a mismatch, still false, we break. Come around again, case is this one, we pop again, it should be a brace because that's the first thing I pushed. This doesn't get set to true, break, come around again, I is equal to s dot size, we drop out. Stack was unwound, head type equals... What is going on here? This should work. It should be the head equals P. Look what's happening when you pop. Head equals head next. All right, so now head should be the first one that I put on there. The initial head linked list thing. Right? I'm not calling this wacky thing. If I was going to call it, I'd have to do it here. What? Since I've done so much cheating already, stack was unwound. I think I have to import that or something. Import, include. How do you C++ again? Oh god, it's got... what the fuck is it? Oh god. It's not C out, it's like C std lib or... God save me. I'll do a C++, I'll do C. Printf, I can't remember anything. Hi, does this work? Okay. I forget how to do this. I have no idea if that works. No, it doesn't. What? Oh. Hi 1. The stack, it's saying it's true that the stack was unwound. High 1 and high 2. So then we have found a mismatch. We also want to see what that variable is. Okay, so then when that breaks, what is going on? Stack was unwound to 0. Why? What? Head is 0. Why is it? What is going on right now? It should have popped it. If this was the... Wait, why is it inputting a parent? I have break statements. I've got breaks. Check out my breaks. Why would it even have a parent? Right? If this is the input? What is happening right now? Why would you do this to me? Oh my god. Let's see what head next is. That should be 0. Okay. Why aren't we changing? Okay, I'm deeply confused right now. What the hell? When I'm popping, is this something related to like translation units or something? I'm sad. Why would head type be 0? This is why I don't like C++. It's really mean. Head type. Head next. Ugh. Well, it was looking like it would be going by quickly, like it would be a short video, but it's not going to be. So, get out your, blankets, everyone, and curl up, because it's going to be a long one while I scratch my head for 6 hours now trying to find out why this pop function is not changing the value of this variable, even though it has to be, because if it wasn't, then the other test cases would be failing, right? Oh, look at these test cases. None of these test cases involve the stack being deeper than anything. Like, this is like a 1-level stack. This is also 1-level stacks. Okay, so that is a little, that's a little concerning. Stack was unwound. Found mismatch. Okay. Why am I not just printing out the C, you might ask? Because well, I don't know. Just don't feel like it right now. These, in fact, have to be... Does that work? It has to be a string, right? Yeah. Well, it has to... This isn't JavaScript, so I also need a freaking semicolon. Brace. This. Thanks for messing up everything. Parentheses. Ah, so lovely. Okay. It should work, but it doesn't work. Why is that? It's hitting all the right cases. What in the world is going on right now? Let's print out the head type every time we went through, shall we? Head type 1, head next 208. Head type is 2. 1 is brace, 2 is bracket. Head type 1, head type 0. Wait. Why? What? The crap. This is accurate, except it seems to be wanting... type equals... T... create. Why are we doing this? This should have worked. Yes, we create one. Head type 1 head next. Does this... Oh man. I hate everyone. I hate you all. I have to do this? Is this why? Runtime error. Ugh. I'm gonna... Okay, well, fine. Fine. It isn't JavaScript. We knew this. We knew this going in. This wasn't JavaScript, and I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know how this is getting compiled, or what is happening, or translation units, or all this crapola that is part of C++. So what we will have is stack Python pointer head. head equals head equals head equals. Okay, then pop stack item pointer head. This isn't going to work. I have to make a class. Struct stack item pointer head. Put all these things in there. Tab. Stack head. New stack item head. Wonderful. Then this would just do. I don't even need to say this because this is C++. This is fine. All this is fine. Okay, then. I'm so mad at you, I'm not deleting anything. And we'll just say, so stack pointer equals new stack. Stack. Then we say stack dot push stack dot push stack dot push stack dot not a dot not a dot stack pop stack pop. Get rid of the printfs, probably regret it. Stack head type. Everything's public. Will it work? What's happening? I don't know. What is happening? What the F is happening right now? Is this a printf? Line 85. Member access with a misaligned address? Okay. I'm just so unhappy right now. Come on. Come on, C++. You could make this easier for me. Print. Stack. Actually, stack. What? No, it's right there. Hasn't been like, deallocated or anything. Stack pop, stack pop, stack pop. This is like the Oh, of course. No, actually, this is a different test case. Stack right. Right. So actually, I can just put this. It's gonna break if I do that there. So it's more like this. That's the problem. This is the why am I trying to save it? I love it so much. Oh god. Okay, finally it worked. Runtime beats 6% of users. Well, we knew why that was happening. Because I'm not using STL like I should. But I got it done. I did get it done. It was painful. It wasn't really C++. It was basically C. Look at that. And I haven't done any C programming in years. It's not actually true. I have done some, but it's been mostly like not this kind of programming, you know. Like server services and things like that. Does the delete all work? Or does it just break it? Oh, forget it. I don't care. I don't need to know. Alright, well, that was sad and upsetting. But to be expected.